I'm Eric Hewko. Thank you for visiting my webpage concerning motorcycle injuries. Motorcycles is one of life's great pleasures. But for any of you who've ever been injured riding a motorcycle, those injuries can be absolutely devastating. And the fatalities, people getting seriously enough hurt that they die, are about 4% of those. Now, why is that significant? Because in the rest of the motoring public, with cars and trucks, the ratio is only 2.5%. And what that shows is the obvious. When you get injured riding your bike, it is going to cause serious injury. You're not protected by metal. You're not protected by any other cushioning. It's just you and the road. Now, I've been representing riders of motorcycles and passengers for over 30 years. I know what it's like to be out there vulnerable to the public. And though most drivers are very careful out there, there are a number of them that just literally don't even see the motorcycle or its rider in their path. How many times has someone changed lanes on you and you have to suddenly brake or pull away? How many times has someone pulled out of a parking lot directly in front of you? Hopefully you've never had to lay your bike down. For those of you who have been in those situations and have to lay the bike down, you know what I'm talking about. You're sliding along, you're getting road rash, your leathers are getting torn up if you're wearing them, and you're subjecting yourself and your passenger to loads of problems and injuries. What I do is we get out there as soon as we hear from you. We inspect the scene, your bike, and all physical evidence. It's important. It's important to see the skid marks, the gouges in the highway, so we can reconstruct what happened. Because you know, when push comes to shove, the driver of the other vehicle is going to say, no, it was you either speeding, racing, and trying to, prey upon all the prejudices out there about motorcycle riding. So it's important to hire someone who knows how to handle it. And we physically take pictures, we preserve all the evidence there. Now, importantly is where you get treated and how you get treated. The injuries we see can be from brain injury, paraplegia, quadriplegia, death, broken bones, spine injuries that cause numbness and tingling into your arms, hands, legs, and feet, requiring surgery. These are serious injuries and serious consequences that affect your daily living and your ability to support yourself. What we do is we get involved right away. We try to get you the lost income as soon as possible so we know you can support yourself. We try to make sure you're at the right doctors. And then we prepare your case. We make sure to hold responsible the insurance company and the other drivers for all the damage that have occurred to you, and to make sure you're properly taken care of, not just now, not just in the past, but for the rest of your lives. So if you, a family member or a friend, have been involved in any type of auto accident, truck accident, or any type of conduct that caused you injury on your bike, call me now at 1-800-BIG-E-LAW. Now, to the right of the screen, if you want, you can also fill out a free case evaluation. There's no cost to that whatsoever, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Directly below that on the webpage, you'll see a downloadable free injury guide. It gives you some general guidelines to think about. But the fastest way to get help, and to get help now, is to call me right now at 1-800-BIG-E-LAW. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for visiting the website.